I need you to talk me out of what I think is a great idea. Might just be a good idea, or it could be really disastrous. So here's where I'm at. This room, this mealworm room, needs to stay at about 45 to 50% humidity, which means I have to dehumidify it, potentially even in the wintertime. Just depends on the weather outside in central Missouri. I am sick and tired of this. I'm tired of this hose in the middle of the room to drain the dehumidifier into the drain. I don't want to just clean that or empty that bucket out constantly because it will fill. It'll also fill overnight, right? Over the weekend. I don't want to mess with it. I just want it to drain continuously because it's necessary, especially right now. And what I usually do is I usually have it running along this way to get power from over there. So there's an electric cord, extension cord, and then that hose in the middle of the walkway. I don't want that. So instead, I probably should look into whole room dehumidifiers, now that I think about it. But that might be overkill. What I've got now is working. That unit keeps up with what I need. Yeah, I'll have to look at that. It's probably going to be one of those things where it's too costly, but I'll double check. But, however, this is our water tank that we use for when we need to spray things, when we need to spray the mealworms, and when I need to make water gel crystals. In the future here, hopefully near future, it's just going to be spraying, no water gel crystals. But I'll still need this water tank. What if I put the dehumidifier up here and then just run the hose into this thing? Yes, it needs to be secure. So this is a framed 2x4 wall, every 16 inches on center. It's got bad insulation and then that rigid foam, so I'll need longer screws in order to get into the studs. I'll need to make sure I hit the studs. Probably hang something from the ceiling as well, just to be double careful. But then the thing's up out of the way. The power cord is running down to the outlet right there. Would that work?